looks amazing from close. This is what it looks like from close. Tashkent TV Tower. Yukori Sifatli Televidenie. I'm guessing that's in Uzbek. I don't know what it means, but okay. So there you go. Let's see what we have here. So take a glimpse of what different towers here. Okay, so Canada. All right. So 553 meters. This is the tower in Canada. CN Tower. 553 meters. Next we have the Nikitin in Russia. All right. 540. This is higher, taller, 540. Next we have in China, Minarosa Tower, Tianjin, China. Got it. 415 meters. Tianjin, China, that's what it looks like. We have Tokyo, Japan, 333 meters. Okay. We have that. Cool. I guess there's more now. I see USA somewhere. Okay. Here we have the Eiffel Minarosi Tower. Of course, in France, that's 324 meters. Okay. Interesting. Another one in China, Peking, Hitoi, China, 405 meters. All right. Next we have Kuala Lumpur, Minorasai, Kuala Lumpur, 421 meters. Okay. And then Chicago, Minorasai, Chicago, 444 meters. I guess these are in comparison to all the television towers or network towers, so to speak. Obviously, there are different buildings that might be taller or less taller, which obviously depend. Здравствуйте. Как дела? Хорошо? Это бесплатно? Можно? Хорошо. What do we have here? Let's see. So this is like a welcome map, so to speak. So I just got through the security. Okay, that's cool. Use eCloud Wi-Fi. Let's get that on, I guess. So right now I'm waiting for the elevator. It's probably going to be the 6th floor or 7th floor, I'm not sure. Waiting with everybody else here. Well, waiting, I guess. Не знать, на каком этаже там? Вон, найдем, узнаем. Тоже так же, как и вы. Правда. Да. Наверное, 6-й. Кто-то сказал мне. Наверное, 6-й. Посмотрим. Yeah, so they're trying to also figure it out. Probably the 6th floor. It's about 100 meters up, and the tower is about 372 meters and 1,230 feet. So 100 meters is where the restaurant is. The observation deck is where we're going to be seeing get the view. And some people do go further up, but it's not allowed for people that are So we're gonna try the 6th floor, assuming the 6th floor is where the restaurant is. But if not, I guess we'll figure it out. Внимание. Okay. Советский Союзский lift, I guess.
Нет, это уже не советский.
Не советский?
Это советский, для советского это очень даже хорошо.
Да. Двигаемся.
Надо, чтобы это... Вот.
Очень спокойно.
Спокойно. Вы приехали или приехали?
Да, наверное, приехали. So we are here finally, 6th floor. Looks like it is the 6th floor. The observation deck. Okay, pretty cool. So, got a nice view, daytime view. All right, this will be fun because it is about sunset time, so we get a nice glimpse of the city. And I do see a mosque there. I think that's the Minar Mosque. That's also one of the major big mosques that we have there in here in Tashkent City. It's pretty cool. Just like any other observation decks, like the one in Vegas or New York, they all have some sort of like a restaurant or cafe area, which is cool. And obviously they're circular. So we see the city of Tashkent from here. This is about 100 feet, not as high as I would have loved, to be all the way to the top of like 300 feet, 370 feet. But it's a television tower, so obviously there isn't really going to be too much station to walk around or look around, basically. Okay, that's interesting. So that is the museum that I was at earlier today, the Museum of Political Repression Oppression, and that's like the monument there. Beshkazan is probably that one right there. Yes, that is Beshkazan. Interestingly, right there, that's Beshkazan where the Pilaf Center is. There's like a soccer field there. See some kids playing. Interesting. The city does look amazing from here. Rukami ni trogait. Do not touch with your hands. You only get them if you buy them. Got it. So, TV Tower East fast food. What do we have here? Hot dog, classic hot dog, Korolevsky, assorti, hamburger, cheeseburger. 30,000. A little bit more pricey than regular places, I imagine. Coffee, cappuccino, pizza, and whatever. So. Nice view from this side. The sun setting, obviously that end there. And